A little bit of my background is I've always been active and athletic. I specifically remember the date that I was like, something's wrong, was back November 6th of 2017. I was out on one of my long distance runs and I felt this sharp pain just start shooting down my leg, and I thought, oh man, I think maybe I just pulled a hammy. I thought I could fix it myself, just stretch it out, loosen it up, give it a couple weeks. Never was able to fully get any alleviation from the pain, so we ordered an MRI, and it was a ruptured disc, a herniated / ruptured disc between my L5 and S1. So I had the total disc replacement, or the artificial disc replacement of my L5S1 disc. They laid out the different options of what was going to be available, and the two big ones mainly were the artificial disc replacement or the fusion. And so I decided and Dr. Blumenthal thought it was a great course of action as well, is to go with the artificial disc routine, and it's been perfect so far. I feel amazing. The last couple weeks have been really good. I actually look forward to today going back and taking my first run in almost 10 months after not doing anything, for a while and just being out of commission. So I couldn't be more thankful to Texas Back Institute and Dr. Blumenthal and the whole staff.